My favorite part of Ramp Riot is seeing all the different teams.
I really like all the music when people go down and dance. That's always the best part.
How you meet new people every single time.
Seeing other people's builds.
Just like everything.
My favorite part about Ramp Riot is probably the fact that we can introduce the new students into what an event is like, get them hands-on experience with having to maintain the robot in the pits, as well as what actual competition feels like.
I think we're looking to see some good action-packed competition.
Most definitely.
Yeah, I think we got a lot of really good teams here, so it's going to be interesting.
My sister was also in this team before, so she told me a lot about this competition, and it's as fun as she told me it was.